Enemy's about 1,000 yards ahead. We'll hold this distance for a little while, and we'll run in, lay one pattern of charges, drop back, wait for 1 hour, then attack again. We can keep this routine up for 7 hours. He can't get anywhere very fast, and our ship should be here by the end of that period. He might even surface. Being inside a submarine under attack is the worst experience you can imagine. After they get on to what we're doing, they might prefer to come up and surrender, or at least shoot it out with us. I want you all to get as much rest as you can. Stand easy at your stations, but be ready every time we lunge. It's going to be a long, dull job, but it's a damn sight worse for the Germans. We'll begin the routine at 1500.